Good morning. This is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the Eastern Idaho Planning Briefing for Tuesday, February 16th, 2021. The weather impact summary for today. We are going to continue to have snow showers through Wednesday in northwest flow. Minimal impacts are expected. We will have light accumulations, mainly in the eastern highlands the next 2 days. Generally 1 to 3 inches are possible. Some areas will get less. But again, those snow showers are going to continue off and on through Wednesday. We do expect gusty winds in the Snake River Plain, Magic Valley, Southern Highlands today. Generally 20 to 30 mile per hour gusts are expected, occasionally over 30 miles per hour today. And we are expecting widespread snow Friday with the next Pacific system. Again, mainly light accumulations in the valleys with some 3 to 6 inch amounts in the mountains. Looking at the current satellite imagery loop, you can see the flow generally out of the northwest with some clouds across the range. We do have extensive low clouds in the Snake River Plain this morning. And again, snow showers are occurring under some of these clouds, mainly in the eastern and southern highlands this morning. The weather impact overview. Again, some light snow, breezy conditions in the Magic Valley. And again, that will be in the Snake Plains southern hills as well. Minimal impacts mainly in the eastern highlands and the Sawtooth area, again, where you could see some 1 to 3 inch snow amounts. And again, most of the light snow in all these areas is going to have no impacts. And Wednesday, most of the snow showers limited to the eastern highlands and Sawtooth region. And then as we get into Thursday, we're going to start to see some snow overnight in most areas, and Friday morning across all regions, some moderate impacts, eastern highlands, Sawtooth area. That's where you can see the 3 to 6 inch amounts, lesser amounts elsewhere. But again, at least minimal impacts most locations. And we could see some of this light snow continuing into Saturday. And again, minimal impacts mainly in the mountain areas. Here are snowfall amounts for the rest of today. Again, you can see generally less than an inch elsewhere, with the exception of the eastern highlands and the Sawtooth area, the mountains in that region. Could see some amounts greater than 3 inches. Overnight tonight, again, under an inch almost everywhere. Again, most of the 1 to 2 inch accumulations will be in the eastern highlands and southeast corner. And as we go through Wednesday, again, most of those snow showers are going to be in the eastern mountains near the Wyoming and Utah borders. And here's a look at the wind gusts this afternoon. Again, 25 to 35 mile per hour gusts. Generally Pocatello and west along the Interstate 86 corridor. And again, across Interstate 84 could see 30 plus mile per hour wind gusts. High temperatures today. Generally fairly cool, a little bit colder than yesterday, generally 30s in the valleys, 20s in the mountains. Wednesday, very similar temperatures, 25 to 35 in the Snake River Plain, 20s across most of the mountain areas. And Thursday, again, staying well below normal, 20s and 30s, pretty much the entire region. And here's a quick look at the snow amounts for the next system on Friday. Again, generally light, but you can see some amounts above 6 inches and some of the peaks in the Idaho Wasatch going across Teton Pass, but for the most part, 1 to 3 inches in all the valley locations. So again, it will be fairly widespread snow, but not heavy amounts is what we're looking at right now. A quick look at the 1 to 2 week outlook, getting into March 1st, the last week of February, showing Idaho with much better chances of below normal temperatures and a better chance of above normal precipitation. So right now, the last week of February looks like it could be cold and snowy. And again, very high or very low confidence right now for the extended. Looking at the weather impact summary again, snow showers through Wednesday, Minimal impacts with some light accumulations, mainly in the eastern highlands. Gusty winds today in the Snake River Plain, Magic Valley, southern highlands. Again, 25 to 35 mile per hour wind gusts are expected in those locations. And widespread snow Friday. Most of it will have light accumulations in the valleys, some 1 to 3 inch amounts, and 3 to 6 inch amounts in the mountains are possible. That will conclude the briefing for today. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at the number listed here 24 hours a day. And our website has more detailed information as well. Thank you, and everyone have a nice day today.